The year 1868 marks the end of feudalism in Japan. A new constitutional monarchy brought the rapid importation of eclectic Western building styles. As the country developed into a world industrial power, European modernist building styles appear, inspired by both the German Bauhaus and the Franco-Swiss architect Le Corbusier with his new urbanism. This radical scenario contrasts strongly with time-honored Japanese construction methods and styles, whether of Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples or tea ceremony pavilions. Yet, the latter tea or sukiya style also lays claim to have influenced the new 20th century architecture. Finally, we'll meet Kenzo Tange after World War II as the first Japanese architect who attained international recognition. Please join us in this course and discover the deeper roots of modern Japanese architecture.